Place the outer tire on a flat surface. Install the hub assembly from one side of the outer tire and then install the inner tire. Note: the air nozzle in the inner tire must be installed before inserting the whole tire. Pay attention to the fact that there is no knot inside. After inserting the tire, press the other side of the outer tire into the hub. Inflate the assembled rear drive assembly. Inflate according to the PSI on the outer tire. Install brake pads. Install the brake pad on the hub assembly. Note: the screws must be tightened. Install Freewheel. Install the pad on the tower foundation, then install the freewheel, and finally tighten it with the special tool of the freewheel and wrench. Install stop screw. Correctly install the stop screws on both sides. Note: pay attention to the correct placement of the stop screws. Install hub motor. Install the mounted hub assembly in the open gear. Note: pay attention to the correct installation of chain and rear turn. Install screws. Install the screws correctly on both sides of the hub center axle and tighten them with a number 18 wrench. Install left-hand sensor. Screw out the crank screw with number 8 Allen wrench. Remove the crank with the central shaft disassembly tool. Properly install the left sensor, preferably screw the crank and crank screw. Install the headlight. Unscrew screws with number 10 wrench together with number 5 Allen wrench and install the headlight correctly. Install the taillight. Install the taillight at the back of the bike and tighten with wrench number 8. Install the controller. Install the controller into the controller box. Tighten with a cross screwdriver and install it on the saddle tire. Install it in place. Install thumb throttle, brake lever and handlebar sleeve. Install the brake lever in the kit with the brake line core. Install the accelerator, brake lever and handlebar sleeve in the horizontal position and tighten the screws of relevant accessories. Finally, install all lines normally according to the drawing.